Wham! So we have our whole rotisserie chicken. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to actually cut through the center here. On here. Alrighty, and I'm going to use the dark meat as well because to me, dark meat has more flavor anyway. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Bam. Alrighty, we definitely have enough meat inside this bowl. So now let's go ahead and mix this baby up. Pour some of that buffalo sauce inside of our bowl here. Now we have honey mustard. I like Ken's honey mustard. So here we go. So we have our cheese here. We have our sour cream, our cream cheese, and that beautiful sauce we made earlier, our hot honey mustard garlic sauce. So this looks good from here. Now, let's go ahead and line up the cast iron. Our cast iron skillet, what I'm going to do, I'm going to line it really well. Alrighty, with some ham. Now, we will put this baby in the oven. It is going to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once all the cheese is melted and is bubbling, we will know that this is ready. Alright, it's JKellz again. You see how it looks up close? Alright, this is our hot honey mustard, hot garlic chicken dip. Let's do it with our homemade tortilla chips. Let's see, let's see. Mom. He said, don't play with your food. Oh. You need to try today. Do not wait. Hot honey mustard, garlic, buffalo chicken dip with fresh homemade tortillas and fresh mozzarella on top. Listen, save this recipe in your phone, on your computer, and go back to it. It's your girl, JKellz. Thank you so much. I'm signing out. Peace.